plant lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of plant trends in 2024. Say goodbye to the indoor jungle vibes era and join us as we explore the latest shifts and innovations in plant styling. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on our greenery updates. For years, the indoor jungle trend has dominated home decor, with enthusiasts filling their spaces with lush foliage and creating verdant indoor retreats. However, as we enter 2024, we're witnessing the evolution of plant styling beyond the jungle aesthetic. Trend 1: Biophilic design. One of the prominent trends in 2024 is biophilic design. This approach focuses on incorporating plants strategically to enhance well-being and connection to nature. Instead of overwhelming spaces with greenery, biophilic design seeks to create harmonious environments that foster a sense of tranquility and balance. Trend 2: Minimalist plant styling. Minimalist plant styling is also gaining traction this year. We're seeing a shift towards simpler, more refined displays of greenery. Homeowners are opting for carefully curated plant collections that prioritize quality over quantity. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces allow each plant to shine in its simplicity. Trend 3: Statement plants. Making a statement with bold, sculptural plants is another trend to watch in 2024. Instead of filling spaces with an abundance of greenery, individuals are opting for standout specimens like fiddle leaf figs and Monstera deliciosas. These statement plants add drama and personality to any room. Trend 4: Dried and preserved plants. In line with sustainability efforts, dried and preserved plants are becoming increasingly popular. These alternatives to fresh foliage add texture and visual interest to home decor, while also requiring minimal maintenance. Dried flowers, grasses, and leaves offer long-lasting beauty without the need for watering. Trend 5: Vertical gardens and living walls. Vertical gardens and living walls are making waves as innovative ways to incorporate greenery into interior spaces. These vertical displays not only save space but also create stunning focal points. From compact herb gardens to expansive living walls, vertical plant arrangements are elevating interior design in 2024. Trend 6: Purposeful plant styling. Lastly, purposeful plant styling is emerging as a significant trend. Homeowners are integrating greenery into their spaces with specific purposes in mind, such as air purification, aromatherapy, and edible gardening. Plants are no longer just decorative, they are functional elements that contribute to healthier, more sustainable lifestyles. And there you have it, the end of the indoor jungle vibes era and the beginning of an exciting new chapter in plant styling. Whether you're embracing biophilic design, minimalist plant styling, or purposeful plant arrangements, there's a trend for every plant enthusiast in 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates on the latest plant trends.